Real apps have more than one screen. Today you will learn Flutter navigation from scratch. How to open a new screen and how to go back. This is essential for any app you build. Create a home screen with a button. When tapped, call Navigator.push. Pass context as the first argument. Second argument is a material page route. The builder returns your new screen widget. Flutter slides the new screen on top of the stack. On the second screen, add an app bar with a back arrow or call Navigator.pop with context. Pop removes the top screen and reveals the previous one. You can pass data to the new screen through constructor parameters. For example, detail page with a title string. Use that title in the app bar on the detail screen. This stack model is simple. Push adds, pop removes. Later you can learn named routes and go_router for bigger apps. But push and pop are the foundation. Build a two-screen app today. Home with a list of items. Tap an item to open details. Subscribe to FlutterSpark. Comment if you want a video on passing data back from the second screen. Keep building. Navigation unlocks real apps.